Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you how to log in EZ Talks app, how to schedule a meeting, what are the different features that are available on EZ Talks and how to use these features. I have downloaded this application on my mobile and I am recording my mobile screen. So I have opened this app and now first I will do is sign up. So I can also sign in using Google. So if you click on sign in, there are options where you can put your email address and password if you have already signed up. But if you have not signed up, you can sign in using Facebook or Google. So when I click on the Google icon, it has opened my account using my Gmail ID. So because I have already tried scheduling few meetings, that is shown here as upcoming meetings. As I have already shown you how to enter in the EZ Talks app. Now I will show you how to schedule a meeting. For that you have to click on the plus button that is shown on the bottom corner of the right hand side. I click on plus and then I get options like schedule a meeting, start a video meeting, start an audio meeting, share screen or join a meeting. So as per my requirement, I can choose any of the options. I can schedule a meeting. Without scheduling also, I can start a meeting immediately. I can share the URL and others can join my meeting. If I don't want video, I will select only audio meeting. I can share screen or I can join a meeting which is scheduled by someone else. So now I am going to click on schedule a meeting. When I click on schedule a meeting, I have to give topic of the meeting, that I will keep it as it is, Shreya Patil's meeting. Then it will start after maybe 5-6 minutes from now. So I will let it be like that. Duration is 1 hour. Time zone is also correct. I can change it if I want. I will put the description about the meeting and then I have to choose whether the meeting has to be recurring or not. I will keep it off. I don't want this meeting to recur. Then I can also add this into calendar, but I don't think it is necessary. So next I have to do is save. Once I click on save, my meeting details have been saved and the meeting has been scheduled. So now this is the meeting info and there are 0 invitees. So I will go back in the upcoming. Here now my meeting is visible. I will click on the meeting and by clicking on start I can also join meeting. So if I click on the 3 dots on the right hand side top corner, I get options like invite, edit, add to calendar and delete. So I will click on invite. I will invite the attendees through contacts or email, or I can just copy the URL and paste it in the WhatsApp. I can also edit this if I want to make any changes, or if I change my mind I can delete it. Now I will show you what are the features that EZ Talk has. So I will click on start meeting. Now I have not invited anyone, so nobody will be joining my meeting. It's just me in the meeting. I have to allow EZ Talks to record audio. I will click on allow. And this is how my call has started. So now it is showing connecting because I am using the cellular data. Now the call has started. I can also switch on the video if I want. There is tab at the bottom. I can share my screen by clicking on it. There are 2 options, whiteboard and screen. So if I click on whiteboard, I get whiteboard. I can write on that. I can erase also, or I can stop sharing by clicking on the same button. I also have chat option where I can select if I want to chat with everyone or I want to send personal message. That is also possible. The other option that is available shows me the list of participants. Now I have not invited anyone else, so it's just me. So these are the different features that are available on EZ Talks. There is also cloud recording polling facility available. To end session, I can click on the red button which is present on the top of the left hand side. If I click on that, it will ask me to end the session. So now I will press OK, and this is how my session has ended. So because I have downloaded this app from Google Play, it is asking me to rate it. I will do it later. So here I have explained you how to sign in, how to schedule, and how to conduct a class on EZ Talks. I hope you find it useful. Thank you.